everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 24th to the 28th of November 2025 on Monday. Mbali reels from betrayal and Zama's ferry turns to heartbreak amidst the chaos as new life brings joy to the Makwaza homestead on Tuesday. Balele goes back home seeking forgiveness, but could he have burned all the bridges? Zama's pleas falls on deaf ears, and her heartbreak ignites Pablo's deadliest plan yet. Nukwanda breaks down and turns to prayer, but not before she tears Petiles apart on Wednesday. Can a desperate Zama stop Pablo now that his mind is set on destroying those who have hurt his daughter? Fear, grief, and guilty are driving Nukwanda to sabotage her future with Mbongeni. Banele gets ready for a journey on Thursday. Mbongeni finally gets through the Nukwanda in a very beautiful way. Makumalo feels compelled to make a very tough decision that will affect her entire family on Friday. The Makwazas face a truth that shakes their very core and farewell they never imagined. Zama pushes Pablo to his breaking point, but how far will his wrath push Zama? Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.